Nope. Not gonna stop.
It's not cool. It's not working the way I want it to do. I need a better hook. This one isn't strong enough.
What's that one made for actually hanging?
I don't remember. I think it's for like a headliner, and I bent the shit out of it.
I was gonna say, I thought it was for hoods.
Come on, baby. I'm doing the pole vault.
Oh shit. Woohoo!
Well, I guess I have to stay with it. I can't get out. It's just gonna, yeah. And I'm leaving it there so I can get it off of there when I need it.
Okay. Sure. What did we accomplish today, baby?
I don't know. I should probably gonna need this right now here in a minute. Got it. Yeah, I don't know. Well, it looks like it's starting to bend on a hot day. I bet you these are gonna let go.
And fall and knock somebody out?
Yeah. Probably. What I should have done, went over, I should have put a screw in them so they can't release and fall, and then made the hooks on this end a little bit stronger
Yeah.
to hold them up a little bit better. Because this one already looks like it wants to go. So yeah, now I can. I'll just look for stuff like this from now on. I really don't like this. I'm gonna say no on this.
That concentration face.
And you just yank it down. Okay, that's not gonna work. I just literally wasted like 20 minutes of my life. This can just go right there. Okay. I don't know what to do with the rest. Leave it alone. All right, people. I know it's been a while, and a lot of you are starting to send messages asking if I'm okay, what's going on, and really, we've just been unpacking. I mean, I don't want to set up a camera of me going through a box, or my wife going through a box, or my daughter going through a box. We've been trying to get things sorted out and moved around. Bought a bedroom suite for our room. We already had the bed, but we didn't have dressers and whatnot. So I went ahead and bought some dressers and moved some stuff into our daughter's room. Got a bunch of boxes unloaded inside the house. I mean, we've been pretty busy for the past couple of weeks. That's another reason we haven't put up any videos. There hasn't been really any kind of build stuff. I know you guys will say, you know, go ahead and put up videos of us unpacking boxes. Well, I don't really care for you guys to see what's in our boxes that are inside the house. That's for us to go through and set everything up. Yes, I bring you guys into a lot of other parts of our life, but I didn't see the point in doing that. So anyway, we're inside the shop. My wife's over here. We moved the TV. Okay, remember by the back door we had the TV? Well, I put the TV right up here, hanging off this 2x4. What's nice about it is not only can it sit like that, facing the couch area, but I can rotate it around so it faces the rest of the shop. So if I'm doing some type of a build or something, I can watch. That's still the same. We've gotten a lot of this. Here, let me go wide angle. We've got a lot of this organized here. We ended up doubling up this shelf to go up higher. Put a couple shelves together for all of the oils and paints and liquids, and then we've got all of our power tools and stuff like that right there. And then some odds and ends. Everything still needs to be organized, but this gets a little bit more organization. Ladders, wood, metal, everything's right there. And then we put the refrigerator here, so it's an end table for this area. See, the TV's right there, and then that goes in. What that does is it opens up more shop floor space right here. Because normally I had centered, the mini truck would go to here. Well, this opens up all this space. So literally we could move the mini truck over another 2 foot that way, which would open up more space on this side. Over here, we still have all the storage parts and stuff. Eventually from this shelf here straight in, all that stuff is going to get moved. I think I'm going to rotate a lot of that around to here. All the air conditioners and excess stuff that's there that don't need to be in here will go out to what we're calling the permanent storage. That's outside, long-term storage, I guess. We do plan, a lot of you said maybe do a tire rack. I'd like to do that, but a heater, if I ever get a heater, it can go right here. So I'm probably going to end up going from here this way with a tire rack. That way it leaves this open for a heater to drop down from the ceiling, but that might end up becoming next year. We've got all these boxes folded up. We're going to do a burn on that later. Eventually the air compressor will go out into a different area, not inside. I guess that's about it for what's going on in here. We did figure out where the water turns on for the camper. So now the camper is all the way hooked up. Now all I got to do is get a 50 amp plug to put that outside so that the camper can be 100% plugged up. We did hook up the sewer. I can't remember if I told you guys any of that. And so the camper is 100% usable except for full power, which right now we've got it plugged up to regular plug, so it keeps the battery warm, and we can use the lights and we can use the heater. So all that's okay. We had a small project. The white dresser that I had in here, white or light blue dresser, I told my daughter she could have it and to pick out some paints. So we did that last night, and we painted everything up so that it can go into her room. And we'll go inside and check all that out here in a little bit. What else? Can't think of anything else in here. I don't know if you saw that I did get another set of lights up right here. So now I have 3 sets of lights in the shop. I'd like to get 2 more for this area from here to here and there to there, and then maybe 1 in the back. Kind of changed our minds on putting 1 for over this area, because you don't really need that much light in a more of a kickback setting. So that's it in here. We're going to go ahead and go inside and do a little bit of an update on the interior, and I got to get ready to go. All right. We're here at the back door. See? We've got it pretty much cleared out. There's a whole bunch of stuff not out there anymore. We flip it around. Washer and dryer. Everything is running. We've got a few things done. We've got this box has got to go out, but other than that, all the boxes that were here are gone. We widen it out a little bit. And then we've got a lot of the stuff. Of course, we are using our kitchen, so this isn't Better Homes and Garden. We ain't trying to keep everything completely spotless. Got all the boxes off the back wall there. So that's done. We had a whole bunch of boxes here. Those are done. Living room. We've got our table all the way stretched out. I don't know if you can kind of see how big that is. But anyway, that's our table. The living room is pretty much done. We've got it set up. The dogs are in here chilling. Huh, April. That's April. That's Ruby. Let me get over here. I'm not trying to make you guys dizzy. It's kind of crazy how our furniture actually ended up matching the floors. That's Mom's unicorns are in there. That all goes into that case. Haven't gotten around to doing that. Of course, we got the TV. And we've got the rabbit ears. Alright, let's head down the hallway. Mom is straightening out her room. What you doing?
Getting it presentable.
This is where that one dresser is going to go that she painted that I showed you guys a little bit ago. And then we've got her chair right here. Her TV and desk area is going to be in this corner when we get around to doing a desk. I had made her a bed, well, a bed frame, so that she could have her mattress up as high as the window. And then she's got this stuff straightened out over here. And then this is Grandma's dresser that Kathleen got to have. So now she's got her a window. Oh, turn on the lights. I'll turn on the lights.
Turn on.
Boom. And she's got all the different colors. I'm sorry I didn't do a video of this, but we just kind of wanted to get it done. It goes all the way around. Okay, that's enough dizziness. And then I put that up there so that she can
Right
have...
under it, I have another one.
Right. Well, that's kind of where I got the idea to do that, was that down there. That way you got it up in lights. But we plan on having some type of a desk here with little shelves going up the wall here for all of her crafts and stuff like that. And then she can do her homework, and then the TV and everything will be right here. Hi, April. All right. Let's go over here. Hey, Mama. Mama's getting all her stuff all straightened out. We've got all our stuff all over the place as well. This was one that we found somewhere, but for the set, we've got this set, the armoire, and then we got the 2 end tables with a dresser. So there's that, and then our adjustable bed. We've already had that. And I've got my little setup right here. Yeah. Boom. Remember that one? It's all right. There's all that. And then look, the wife is smiling. So you gotta make your wife happy. Now we've got all our bigger pieces in place. Now all we gotta do is start hanging pictures, start doing some decorative items, because now everything is pretty much in place. We have a lot of stuff for the kitchen that's still not in here. And so we got to bring those boxes in and get those distributed out so we can figure out what new stuff we have that can replace some of the old stuff. And then also basically take inventory of the stuff that we'd like to replace with other new stuff and get everything set up in the kitchen. We've got a few more boxes that can come out into the bedrooms. Kathleen's got like 20 more boxes. So we will talk to you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm not sure exactly when the next video will be. I might do a midweek video, but this is just so that we can get you guys up to date on what's been going on. Right, baby?
Yep.
All right. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Later, guys.